You know what? The books sometimes may fall short. It's cruel, but it's true, as these lectures are beyond limits.
Sphincter changes or sphincter symptoms are not very mathematical. You can even start getting sphincter symptoms in stage 2. Rarely. Stage 3, not uncommon. Stage 4, certainly. I think this is all you're probably seeing.
So you just saw, are they just lectures? They are not. They are some things which are life defining, maybe life changing. This is what it is. This is an experience beating the books down on, downhill. Thank you.